I haven't seen you guys in such a long time. It has been a really long time. Today is New Year's Eve and I literally can't believe I'm saying that. I can't believe 2015 is over. I've never done a full black smoky eye in my life. I mean, I have, but not like on a video or in a video. I really wanted to put like my own twist to it and kind of do like a little bit of like brown and silver. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's tutorial. It was really fun for me to do this. It's really night-y and like going out-y, and I'm actually not going out. I'm just going to be at home here with my family. So I hope you guys like today's tutorial and let's get into it. Yeah. Let's go. The first step of the tutorial is to grab a small strip of tape and place that on the outer corners of your eyes to create a more defined and cat eye shape. And then I used the Maybelline Eye Studio black gel eyeliner all over my lid as a base, then Wet n Wild's Panther all over the lid, and Mary Kay's Sienna in the crease, and then I just blended everything out. The trick to this eye look is to just blend everything out. The colors are relatively harsh, like black and brown. So Sienna, this color, is a great transition color for the black and for the color that we are later placing on the eyelid. And here's the part where we add sparkles to the look. I am using Urban Decay's Midnight Cowboy Rides again. This color is beautiful and it's like a champagne-y silver color and it just looks beautiful on any eye look. To make the color more opaque, I sprayed some setting spray on my brush and then apply the eyeshadow all over my eyelid. I decided to go back in with Panther by Wet n Wild to define the outer corner of the eye, and then I removed the tape to show a perfect edge for the eye look, and then I tightlined my upper lash line with the Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner. For my eyelashes today, I'm going to be applying the Lash Accelerator by Rimmel very lightly and then curling my eyelashes. And then I'm going to be applying my number 151 Lotus Make Fur eyelashes. To blend my natural lashes to the falsies, I'm going to be using the same mascara, the Lash Accelerator, and then I'm going to be using the same one and applying it to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be using the Magic Lumi Luminizer by L'Oreal and highlighting my brow bone. So that was it for the eyes. Now I'm going to be applying the CoverGirl Outlast Primer all over my face. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Better Skin foundation as well. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Better Skin, and I'm going to blend it in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And then I'm going to set my under eye area with the Wet n Wild Fergie Translucent Powder. To set my entire face, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, which is the one that I use every single day. And then I'm using the NYC Sunny Bronzer to contour and just bronze up my face. To highlight my cheekbones, I am using the Champagne shade from the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer Quad. For my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate and just filling in my eyebrows. And for my lips, I'm going to be using the Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color in the color Pink Taupe. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. If you guys have any video requests that you guys would really want to see, please leave them in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and Happy New Year! Bye guys! Happy 2016! Woo!